Hi guys, so now we're gonna unbox a tripod for the vlog. So here it goes. It says, folding tripod stand and handle grip, 10 brightness modes dim to bright. Enjoy vlogging session in the comfort of your home. Vlog, tripod stand and handle grip. So it actually have what's that, a ring light something? Fits cameras up to 9.5 centimeter. Fits most smartphones and it has a microphone. So this is the first unboxing video we're gonna make. So here it is. Here's what it look like here. And I think I don't know what it is.
The cord maybe to the microphone.
Yeah, I think it's the cord that's gonna be connected to the microphone and to your mobile phone. And this is the manual. See, iJoy Vlog. Do not drop, do not disassemble the units. So this is just the safety precautions. Device functions, power button, and instructions how to set it up. Just like that. Hi guys, so now we're gonna set this up, the tripod. So yeah, so first we're gonna adjust this one, and then after that separate, and then just like that. Sorry, I don't know how to vlog. And then after that we're gonna put this at the top, so you have to adjust everything, and then sort. So we're gonna do it like this. The number 2 instruction. So that one, you're gonna put it right here. Screw it up at the bottom. So just make sure it's tight. So your phone. I'm sorry. Yeah. So that's number 2. You're gonna do it like that. Para di hulog yung cellphone or camera. Wait. Yep. And then after that you're gonna put the, I don't know what it is. Is this a ring? Is this a light or something? Yeah, it's the light, so we're gonna install it here at the top. As you can see. Wait. So right now we're gonna put the light here at the top. Like that. And then lock it. Make sure to lock it tightly. So yeah, it's gonna be like this. And then after, we're gonna put the microphone. So we're gonna put it here at the top, just like that. So again, make sure you lock it and tighten it up so that it will not fall off. So yeah, I guess just like this, as you can see. So we're gonna put the your phone or camera this side, and there's a microphone. There's the cord that will be connected to your phone and your phone here, so you can see with this. So again, this is how we set it up. Microphone, ring light, phone holder. So this is the actual tripod that we're gonna use. And then you're gonna put the phone here. And then just like that. Simple. So yeah, as you can see, that's my mom. on here, and we'll be using this for my mom's vlog. Yeah.